All right, hey guys, this is Jason again with Multiple Streams of Income with another tip for you on how you can load your very own video on your own eStage on your website, or it doesn't have to be eStage, it could be any theme, but you can load it on your own website and host your own video without using YouTube. Let me show you how right now. Okay guys, this is Jason and we're back. And before we get started and showing you how, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get notified when I create a new video. And this is pretty cool because you can actually host your own video on your own website. When you create an MP4 video, you can actually upload it to your own hosting service, your own WordPress theme, and utilize it. Now let me show you how you do that. It's pretty simple to do. So this is an example of what it looks like right here. And I just created a post, and this is on my jasongerald.com. And you can see that right there. Now, you're not going to find it in here when you go to jasongerald.com because it's a page that I don't want everybody to see because it's part of signing up for my customers. So when they sign up to my list, I actually send them this email so they get a nice video of me, and then they'll actually sit there and you'll be able to click on all the links to be able to join the 4% team and everything. Okay, so here's how you do this. It's pretty simple to do. So when you create a new page, add a new page, and I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you to do this without Visual Composer and with Visual Composer. So you can do it both ways. So I'm just going to make a test page. I'm going to call it AAA and I'm going to call it test, and I'm going to publish this. Okay. So it doesn't matter. And I'll probably use the default theme. Whatever. No, I'm going to use Jack Oliver theme. Okay. There we go. And then I'll update this again. Okay, so what you do is really simple. You have to create the video first, the MP4 first. And once you create the MP4, I'm not going to go through that process here. All you have to do is click on Add Media right here, and then you hit Create Video Playlist. Okay, and then you upload and select it from your hard drive, and then you just select the MP4 right there. Okay, I'm not going to do it again because it's already loaded on my system right here. So you select it, and then you can actually, when you select it, you'll be able to create new video and add it to the post. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, now you can show playlist and show image. I really haven't figured out yet where the image is showing up because it just comes up with a blank page. I bet there is a way to do it, and I just haven't figured it out yet. But I'm just going to go ahead and add this to the video playlist. So what it does is it adds it to the text in the video playlist. So when you go to visual, you'll be able to see that there's the video right there. Now, if I do update, okay, and let me show you what it looks like when you go to the website. Okay, it's updating. All right, so let me hit visual. I'm going to open it up in a new tab. Okay, and it's going to take the full page because there's no padding around it at all. So it's the very full page. It's up here. You can see the header and everything like that. But right there's the video, and you just click on it and it will play right there. So it's the full page. You do have controls. You can actually make it the full page, the full width. So you're seeing the exact full width. Now I'm going to hit the escape to go back to the normal edit button here. But you can see it's very, very large. Now, if you didn't want that, you can still use this in Visual Composer. So let me show you how you do that real quick. Okay, so I'm going to edit the page again. Okay, now I'm back in here, and I'm going to go ahead and go into text and delete that code. Okay, now you could copy this code and just put it in Visual Editor, but I'm going to show you how we do this in Visual Editor. I'm going to go into Backend Editor. Okay, and then I'm going to choose here, I'm going to do a row, and then I'm going to select kind of the wide row right here where I got too small and too small on the side, so it doesn't take the full image. Okay, so all I have to do is click this plus button right here and add a text box. Okay, and I'm going to delete all this information in here. I was going to delete it. Okay, and then you just add the media, go to video playlist, Oh, it's actually right there. I didn't actually have to go to the video playlist. And then create new video, and then insert video. Okay, and boom, there it is. It's right there. Now all I have to do is save this. Okay, and let me just add, that's pretty good right there. I'll just save it. It's probably going to be up top again over the menu because I need another layer up top there, but we're just going to play this here and show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to view the page. Okay, there you go. Now see, what I'm saying is it went over the top of the menu and everything because that's the way the theme works. But you can see, you just hit the play button and boom, and there it is. And I don't like all this stuff down here. I haven't figured out how to take that off yet, but if I do, I'll update the video. But you can do full screen here where it goes back to full screen, and I hit escape again and I can go back down. So basically that's it. It's pretty cool how you can actually host your very own WordPress video on your WordPress site using eStage and be able to create your own video. But a word of caution, every time you load one of them on, it takes a lot of space on your hard drive, on your hosting hard drive, and they may not like that, and they may increase your cost because you're going to use up bandwidth and hard drive space to be able to do that. So you only want to do a very like 1 or 2 videos, and that's it, because it'll take up a lot of space on your hard drive. All right, guys, if that makes sense to you, let me know. Hopefully this was helpful, and have a great day and go out and create multiple streams of income. All right, guys, bye.